What's up, everyone? Austin Wilson here. I'm gonna apologize now because I just wrapped up Wild West Pro-Am and you guys won't be able to see that footage for a few weeks, just because I have another tournament coming up on the Delta and I don't want to post it and having people poach my water pretty much. So I'm gonna hold off on that video. Like I said, I'm really sorry, but today I'm going trout fishing. I'm going with my buddy Kirby. Obviously you know him. Say hi, Kirb.
Hello.
You ready to catch them?
Cement pond orphans.
Okay, they're not cement pond. They're all wild fish. They won't get very big. I think the biggest one I've caught, what?
You got a nice brown there.
I caught a nice brown there, but it's just a little creek. It's shaded. It's a perfect time to go up there during the summer and catch these fish. Usually I only go about one time a year, and usually on one of the hottest days, when it's 100, 110, I like going up to this creek because it's, like I said, it's all shaded. It's nice and cool, and it's just a fun place to catch some trout, and they're beautiful. Rainbows and browns. So we're gonna get after it. Ready to catch some fish?
I'm excited.
Let's do it. All right, guys, stay tuned. That's good. Well, here we are. One of my favorite places to fish. Look at this nice little hole. Let me get down here and show you guys. Got this little waterfall here. Obviously these fish will sit right in this eddy and down here below this tree. And then we'll walk upstream from here. But like I said, one of my favorite places to fish in the summertime when it's real hot. So obviously today we're not lure fishing. We're using some live bait. It's a little piece of night crawler. Come here, bud. Oh, juicy. Little piece of night crawler. I know you guys probably can't see that, but oh, hooking like a wacky rig, huh? I love it. Just run it on. Super simple. Slide it up the hook, so you got something like that. A couple little split shots. Let's see here. Try and get in the light so you can see it. But we got a little night crawler there. A couple split shots. We'll fire it into this hole and see what happens. Got him, baby. Fish on. Look at this little guy. Look how pretty that sucker is. Hold that sucker in the light. Oh, well, he just good catch and release. Whew. Water's a little chilly, but it feels good. That's why I like coming up here on a hot summer day. Look at that hole. Think there's gonna be one in this hole? Or multiple? Hopefully don't get snagged. You can probably, oh, there he is. Oh, I had him. Split shot keeps sliding down. Got him? Oh yeah. Ooh, little guy. Look how beautiful this fish is. Look at that. Beautiful little rainbow. Later, bud. We're on the board. On the board, baby. That's a little one, obviously. There's some better ones in here. Starting to turn into the Kirby show. Ooh, beautiful little rainbow.
The line's really strong.
That beautiful. Beautiful little rainbow. Yeah, that's a good one. Should be number 3.
Something like that.
I'll pocket. Let's try to get.
I think we're gonna get some good ones in that next hole.
There's one. Finally, Austin's on the board, baby. Woohoo! Little guy. Man, I don't ever remember being this small. Easy, bud. Yeah, it used to be like big. Okay, maybe not big, but
Kind of looks like it, doesn't it?
I don't know. Oh, good catch and release.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for the fun time. Couple more casts and get moving. Yeah, I think the hole's already burned out. There's a nice one there, huh? Woohoo! Look at that pretty little guy. Beautiful. All right, let's let this fish go. I think there's one in there. Nice snag. Okay, my turn. There he is. Just like that, baby. And it's in the shade. Nice little freak out. Thank you, bud. Nice little guy. Let's get him back. Woo. Great release every time. They just freak out. You don't want to squeeze them too hard either. You feel like you're gonna kill them. Oh, money. Money, here it is, baby. Oh, there he is. Oh, I got him. Oh, a little bit better one. Not giant. I know you guys are probably hating this back home. Catching a bunch of little rainbows, but man, tell you what, on a hot summer day, these are fun. Look at the coloration on this one here. Just freak out, man. Okay, stop. Please stop. Come on. Like a striper, dude. Just go nuts. Just beautiful little rainbow. All right, let's get her back in. Gosh, trying to get a nice release for you guys, and I can't seem to get a good one. Oh, entry. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a good one there. Look at this one. No, big rainbow. It's a giant, but probably get it in the sun. So this right here is a decent one. This is what an average fish. I mean, how long do you think that is? 8, 10 inches?
Push 11.
Okay, maybe 11 incher. I mean, that's a good rainbow. Like, I know the lighting's not the best right there. But man, that's an awesome rainbow. Let's get her back in. You don't squirm on me. There he goes. That's awesome to see him right there. That was sick. Getting way up in this creek. Really only a one-man spot, but Kirby was really nice and let me fish in his hole.
He's taking on a date first.
Oh, he's on. Oh, another nice one. Look at this.
You gonna pop off?
I know we're saying these are nice, but you know, for a little creek, this isn't bad. They just freak out. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful little rainbow. Did it tug nice?
Almost pulled me in.
Hey, bud. That's awesome. There's the juice right up there. That's the hole we want. Let Kirby get the first cast. Oh. Okay, my turn.
No strike.
No strike. Oh, here we go. Money, money. Maybe we'll catch a brown out of here. There, well, that's a nice one there. Oh, it's a big brown. Look at that one. Going nuts. That's so sick. There it is, baby. That's what we're looking for. Look at that one. Beautiful brown. Look at the colors on that. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. That is beautiful. I don't know if the GoPro can pick up how beautiful that fish is. I'm gonna go down here in the light. Beautiful, beautiful brown. Not very big. Probably only about 12 to 13 inches long. But that's beautiful. Beautiful fish. Let's go ahead and let her go. Not a very good release job by me. Try to get a good epic release shot. Screwed it all up. So slimy. Can't get a good hold of them. That's a better one there. No, it's a big rainbow there. Big rainbow. For this little creek, it's a nice rainbow. Look at that rainbow. Oh, we got a double. Just Here's just like
same size.
Same size. Look at that one. This comparison.
How many fish have we caught in this one spot?
I don't know, a lot. This one's big. How big do you think that sucker is?
11 inches. Big, that's long.
Jeez. It is a long rainbow. Big rainbow for just this little creek. That's what I used to catch in here all the time. So I used to fish this creek a bunch. This size rainbow was an average fish. Oh, let's get this one back. Come on, baby. There she goes. That was sick. Another brown? A bluegill? What? I've never caught a bluegill in here. Huh. That's cute.
Dude, we've never caught one of those in here.
Never caught anything like this. Always just trout. Someone must have released them. I'm just joking. Oh.
Hey, Will, did you put that in here?
I think this hole's done. Well, little mid-trip update. Catching a few fish. Obviously we caught a few rainbows, caught one brown and a couple surprising catches of bluegill. Just drove up the road a little bit to another spot and we should catch a few fish. There's a spot where the water should be dumping in and the fish get right up in it. Kirby, any thoughts about this spot?
Yeah, this is beautiful, man. It reminds me of Yellowstone.
Yellowstone, buffalo and wolves out and elk. We got none of that, by the way. But anyway, we're gonna fish this spot and hopefully catch a couple.
They're breaching.
They're breaching. not expecting one to catch a fish in there. Cool, pretty cool. I just found that knife. Cool find. Maybe do a catch and cook? No, I'm joking. Not with these little guys. Thanks, bud. There's another one. Better one there. Are these what you were talking about? Concrete
Smith Pond.
Smith Pond. Oh no, my bad, bud. Look at that. Look at his nose, all jacked up.
Yeah, is it over? I just had one too.
Wow, that's a nice one there, huh? I've never caught him in here before. Well, it's a better one there. Oh wow. This one's pulling a little bit of drag. Look at that one. That's a good one for here. Look at that. Come here. Oh, look at that one. That's insane. Wow. Wow. Beautiful fish. Oh, we got another one. We got a double. There's a lot better fish up here, huh? Look at that. That is beautiful. Let's get this fish back in the water. Yeah. That's so cool. Look at the mouth on that though. Kind of looks like a steelhead almost.
Yeah, it does.
Wow, this one's so dark. Look at that. Wow. You got a bluegill? Look how dark that sucker is. It's so pretty. I don't think I've ever seen one that dark. Wow. Well, I think this is where we're going to wrap it up. We caught a bunch of little rainbows. Lucky brown. Caught some bluegill. It was super random. Kirby, you have a good time?
Always a good time. I'm already ready for next year.
Oh, like I said, I only fish this place once a year. But it's a good place to come when it's super hot. And like I said earlier in this video, sorry I didn't post the Wild West Pro-Am. But like I said, I'll post it in July after my team event for Wild West. So stay tuned for that video. It should be a good one. All right, Curb, wrap her up.
Where are we going next time?
I don't know. Well, somewhere. I don't know. It's always an adventure with us. Kirby and Austin's Wild Adventures. All right, guys. Later.